Hi everyone! Today I want to do a review on this Lady Dior mini bag that I got from Hawaii this year. So in Hawaii it's very special price and I got it in the DFS store, so which is tax-free here. So anyways, if anybody are interested in Hawaii price, you can comment down below. I should be able to answer any of your questions. So going forward, I just started for the review of this bag. So this is the cherry red color patent leather mini Lady Dior bag with the light gold hardware. So if you see, I'm not sure if you can see it from the camera all right, but this is the light gold color hardware. So we also call it, my sales associate also call it champagne. It's very luxurious, elegant and classic type of color. It's really cool. So it has a detachable chain. It's a very long chain, and it's in this champagne light gold color chain, and on the top shoulder part, and it gives you a little piece of leather so that it helps on your shoulder. So it is detachable, which right now I'll just quickly show you without the chain. Okay, so it's kind of like this hook, easily detach, and here as well can easily detach here. Okay, so let's focus on this bag itself. So this bag, everybody is asking how big is this bag. So this bag has 70 centimeter in the bottom here, and then the height is 15 centimeter, and then the width here is 7 centimeter. So it's more or less a very small bag, but it's well enough to put all your daily essentials. It's more or less, I think it's very similar to Chanel mini flap. I have a wallet on chain here, so to compare, it's very similar, but this bag is definitely a little bit bigger. So the length wise, it's more or less very similar, but you can see the wallet on the chain is a little bit longer, and then the height wise, so definitely the Dior bag is 1 centimeter longer, one or more, 1.5, and then the width is definitely make the difference. Is that this bag is definitely a lot more wider, as you can see from the screen. Okay, this is for that. Now let's look at what's inside. So the handle is like this, and it has the Dior bag chain here. So it's basically has all the 4 letters of Dior. It's just like this. And then inside, this is a flap open. So it's open like this, and this is what it looks like inside. So it's a one compartment with a little back compartment in the back. So that's it for it. So let me try let me show you what I usually put inside. It's actually more or less the same as the wallet on the chain. So people usually go out. I will need my wallet, small wallet that I use. I have a compact baby cushions, and I need a lip gloss, and that's pretty much it is. I can also fit on my key if you have, and that's pretty much I do to put on. And also if you have everybody is asking about the sunglasses, can you fit in? Yes, you could. It's just like if you put in that, it's gonna be like this. So it's gonna be closed like this. It's gonna be a little tight, but I'm telling you, you can fit down. So since this bag is very structured bag, so you can put on, so which is a good size. You have everything that you need. So usually what people do is that it's gonna be strap on the arm. It's very chic, very cute. I love it a lot. And sometimes people just do it like this. So it's top handled, and if I put, so everybody is asking how long is the chain. Let me show you on my body. So now I'll quickly just to put the chain on. It's like so. So sometimes I wear it this way, so I just keep the handle here. I think it's very chic too, and a lot of times I would do it crossbody. Let me show you. So this is how it looks like. I think this is the perfect lens on me. I love it. This lens. So crossbody, I'm 5'2" by the way. So it's perfect lens on me if I do crossbody. So this is the best way. Either the top handle and crossbody is the best way I carry this bag. And then I can quickly show you how it looks like on one shoulder. So for me, I feel like this is a little bit too long on one shoulder. That's why I don't like. But some people really like a really long chain. Then that's it for you. Maybe. Okay. So this is for this. Let me quickly show you. So it's pretty big bag. And let me quickly show you. Some people are asking whether the mini pochette from Louis Vuitton, whether that fits. Let me show you. So this is my mini pochette. Yes, you can fit it on. So if you use mini pochette, usually your makeup is already in there. So I will just put, instead of this, I probably, if I use mini pochette, I probably use a card holder. But that's just a thin card holder. But let's just put that there, and I can also put lip gloss in, and then I can also put my sunglasses in if you have a shorter one. So that would work as well. That would be like this. So it's gonna be a little bit bigger than the wallet on the chain because you can put all those mini pochette. I don't have anything inside. That's why you can fit a lot. Then you probably can put your makeup case and your compact BB cushion in. I think that will fit as well. So that's it for this bag. And let me quickly show you how I normally store it. So I will put all my chain inside of the bag. I put all the chain inside of the bag. So now it will be like this. And then this is the bag that comes with the Dior. Let me quickly show you what I have inside actually. So I have a bunch of stuff. So this is a little bag that the Dior bag chain first came. That was stored in the little bag so that it won't get scratches. And then I have a authentication card. So it's like this. And then I also have like small loose piece of the protection papers. That's pretty much it is. And and I also have the receipts. Here we go. I also have the receipts. I probably won't go into too much of the details. Unless you're interested, you can comment down below. I'll reply to you. So basically, that's what it is for this bag. It's a very cute bag. I'm telling you, I really love this bag, especially when you wear one-piece dress and doing some dinners, date night. It's very cool, but unfortunately this is not a very casual bag. So if you do very casual, it's not very cool to wear this bag. And another con about this bag is that the opening, I'm telling you, it's not very easy to get stuff in and out. But since it's a very small bag, it's not bother me, but that has that issue. It's just me, I don't care that much. So that's pretty much it is for this bag. If any questions, you please feel free to comment down below. And if you like this video, please thumbs up for this video. And I'll bring more valuable resources that you would like to watch on this channel as well. So let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.